Ever opened your phone to check one message and suddenly it's been 47 minutes, you've watched 3 cat videos, 2 cooking hacks you'll never try, and somehow you're now reading a comment war between strangers named Dragonlord69 and Sweet Pea? Yeah, same. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to rebuild your focus in the age of distraction, which, let's be honest, feels like trying to meditate on a roller coaster while someone pokes you with a selfie stick. But here's the good news, your focus isn't broken, it's just on vacation with a margarita and we're about to bring it back home. So let's jump in. First, let's talk about the big enemy, the distraction monster. It's invisible, it has Wi-Fi, and it lives inside every notification on your phone. You know the one, ping. Suddenly your brain is like, ooh, maybe it's important. Spoiler, it's never important. It's usually an app saying, hi, we miss you, like a clingy ex. So here's the first step. 1, reduce the pings before they reduce your peace. Turn off every unnecessary notification. Trust me, you don't need an alert every time someone likes your reel from 2021. Your focus instantly improves when your phone stops acting like an overexcited parrot. Next up, 2. Rebuild your focus like you rebuild a muscle. Imagine going to the gym after 5 years. You don't walk in and immediately deadlift a small car. Same thing with concentration. Start small, set a timer for just 10 minutes and do one thing. No multitasking, no, let me just check this real quick. Nothing. You'll feel the urge to grab your phone. Your hand will start floating toward it like it's possessed, but stay strong. You're building brain biceps. 3. Create a focus ritual. Humans love rituals. Tea before bed, music in the shower, talking to yourself before a job interview. Okay, maybe that's just me. But having a pre-focus routine tells your brain, yo, it's go time. Maybe it's playing instrumental music or making a cup of coffee or clearing your desk of everything except the one thing you need. A messy desk equals a messy brain. And a messy brain equals my last semester of college. 4, make distractions inconvenient. If your chips were on top of a mountain, would you still eat them at 2 a.m.? Probably not. Same idea. Put your phone in another room when you're trying to focus, or use apps that block other apps. Yes, you're basically parenting yourself. Welcome to adulthood. 5, give your brain something to look forward to. Focus isn't just about discipline, it's about reward. Tell yourself, if I work for 20 minutes, I get 5 minutes of guilt-free scrolling. This works because the brain loves rewards even more than it loves memes. Almost. 6, protect your attention like it's expensive real estate. Because it is. Every app out there is fighting for it. Every video is designed to keep you watching. Every platform wants you to scroll until the sun comes up and your responsibilities start texting you like, bro, hello? But your attention is yours. And once you treat it like something valuable, everything changes. 7, surround yourself with focus-friendly people. Spend 10 minutes with someone who's constantly on their phone and you magically end up on your phone too. But sit near someone deeply working and suddenly you're like, yes, I too am a productive member of society. Energy is contagious, so choose the productive germs. 8, be kind to yourself. You're not failing, the world is just louder, faster, and designed to keep you distracted. You're swimming against a current, not being lazy. Some days you'll focus like a monk on a mountain, other days you'll get distracted by your own shadow. It's okay. The point is to keep trying. And here's the final and most powerful trick. 9. Remember why you want your focus back. Because focus helps you feel in control. Because finishing things feels amazing. Because your dreams won't build themselves. And because deep down, you know you're capable of more than what distractions let you be. So let today be the day you take your attention back. One quiet moment, one 10-minute session, one small change. Before you know it, your focus isn't on vacation anymore. It's sitting right next to you, ready to work. If this resonated with you, drop a comment. What's your biggest distraction? No judgment. Mine is literally the fridge. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, or at least try your best, and I'll see you in the next one.